Hello, my name is Valentino Hernando Samar Matakena. I am a accounting major. My name number is 211-419-0012. I am from University IAI. My topic is the what is Industry 5.0. The second is essential factor about Industry 5.0. The third is Industry 5.0 is aimed at supporting not superseding humans. The fourth is the progress of the industry of 5.0 is unavoidable. The fifth is can you give the example of this 5.0 industry? So we go to the number one is the what is industry 5.0? The unprecedented and simultaneous advance in artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, ML, robotic, Internet of Things, IoT, autonomous vehicle, and self-driving car, 3D printing, virtual and augmented reality, wearable, additive manufacturing, nanotechnology, biotechnology, energy storage, and quantum computing are blurring traditional boundaries and creating a new business model. Uber, Tesla, Airbnb, Alibaba, Google are only that a very small number of multi-billion-dollar business created in the 20 years. This cyber physical system revolution is summarized as the fourth industrial revolution is fundamentally changing the way we live, work, and relate to one another. The start of industrial revolution wave goes back to 1850 with water and steam power, evolved to electric power to electronics. Business leaders can no longer focus on developments and trends in their own sector alone, but need to understand potential transformation and disruptions in the entire world of suppliers, customers, and global markets. The rapid pace of the change is challenging the entire workforce, governments, legislators, and regulators to an unprecedented degree. The word of the work-life merge to the term coined by Facebook executive Emily White in 2020, described in a life is which work and free time are no longer neatly compartmentalized but seamlessly jumbled up together. At the same time, there is a risk that a part of society might feel left out due to the perception that jobs are being taken away by automation and immigration, or because they lack the skill required for the newly created jobs. The pairing of human and machine workers open to the door to countless opportunity. Manufacturing and some use case of Industry 5.0 are still their relative infancy. Manufacturers should be actively studying ways to integrate human and machine workers in order to maximize the unique benefit that can be reaped as the movement continue to evolve. The second is essential the fact about the industry 5.0. To be prepared for industry 5.0 and its implication, you need to understand the three key elements of this initiative, the three main skills in dealing with society 5.0, including the ability to solve complex problems and can be a problem solver for yourself and many people. The ability to think critically, not only in a class, but also in the social life and the environment rise the social sensitivity and creativity. In the area of the Society 5.0, education plays on the important role in improving of the quality human resource. In addition to education, several elements and the stakeholders such as a government community and organization and the wider community also participate in welcoming the future era Society 5.0. From this case, the student must be the willingness and the ability to think higher order thinking skills are are huge to ensure the global challenge of society in the 5.0 era to the next future of society 5.0. People are required to find quick solutions to their needs. This has implications for the community to continue explore of the information and create the new innovation to help still survive from this survival. The three is the Industry 5.0 is aimed at supporting, not superseding all humans. Do not mistake to the upside in robotics as an opportunity to eliminate headcount and replace workers who perform repetitive tasks on the assembly lines. Manufacturers who understand the value of human intuition and a problem-solving capability are positioning themselves to thrive. People often think of the manufacturing worker as actually a poor substitute for a robot. Susan helped us and on economy at the Case Western Reserve University told the New York Times, but in practice, these things are really difficult, and the assembly line worker is making judgment a lot. And it turns out that when you take that person away, you end with some problem that are hard to solve. While robots are much more consistent than humans and better at the precision work, they are inflexible and incapable of the adaptability and critical thinking that define us as a human. Working together with the people, robots can fulfill their designated purpose of providing assistance and making our lives better. Industry 5.0 will make the factory a place where the creative people can come and work to create a more personalized and human experience for our workers and their customers, said Esben Ostegard, Universal Robot Chief Technology Officer and CEO founder in an article published on the Enterprise IoT Insights. Therefore, the progress of Industry 5.0 is unavoidable. Once you use the technology to make a process more efficient, there is no point in reverting the old way of doing things. It's why we use computer with a word processing software instead of typewriters. Similarly, Industry 5.0 is manufacturing word is even horizon given the efficiency that can be gained. We were well past to point of going back. The European Economic Social Committee or ESG summed in up the best. The proliferation of robotic automation is inevitable, recognizing the trails that the United States and China in advancing the technology such as artificial intelligence (AI). The European Union (EU) consultative body has called for a acceleration of AI and robotics development in the region. The EU should embrace digitalization work healthily for the sake of consumers, manufacturers, and employees alike. Political structure, it left unchecked, they might lead to authoritarian governance. Engaging with this as the many of the challenges and opportunities, Industry 5.0 is invariably bring will recruit training and preparation commensurate with each manufacturer needs and expect outcomes. It's not a question of whether a manufacturer can benefit from each personnel working alongside a robot, but how they can best leverage new technology to drive optimal outcome from a human or machine interaction. The five is, can you give the example of this 5.0 industry? The fourth example is in America, where the people use everyday technology, society 5.0, digital technology, aimed at a heart of service for many people, and self-driving cars, monitor hardware, and connect facility. Indonesia plans to increase the government cooperation with the private sector to accelerate infrastructure development and economic recovery from the pandemic. As an archipelago country with the fourth largest population in the world, Indonesia is geographical area is a challenge itself in an effort to equalize the development to accelerate its progress. The government has prepared to a starting point for the pursuit of infrastructure that support economic activities. So this is my presentation. I hope you enjoy my presentation and thank you for watching.